Mabuhay everyone, I'm Jan Carl Madriaga. Today I will demonstrating the basic cuts and knife skills.
Before we start, let me show what we have here. We have carrots, onion, garlic, onion chives, chopping board, and of course, the chef knife. We will use carrot for this one. Let's cut first the carrot to the size we will need. Then, let's cut the side, make it rectangular. I'll make sure that this is rectangular shape and have the right size. Then, cut the carrot in the middle. Then, cut one part into three parts. And we have the bayonet cut. Next, let us do the julienne. Let's use the other part of the carrot earlier and cut it thinner, then cut it like this. We now have julienne cut of carrots. Let us do fine julienne. Using the remaining carrot, cut it like this. Then, cut it thinly. And this the fine julienne cut. The basin. Let's use again the rectangular shaped carrot. We have to cut it thinly like 1 mm thick each. Let's cut for about 5 pieces. Then this is our pheasant cut. Next, we have it's what is also known as the lardice or the curry. We need a larger rectangular shaped carrot for this cut. Then we cut in half vertically. Then cut it again. Then make sure that it will all look perfect, square like this. And there we have it, the curry cut. Next up is the paramite or the medium dice. We just have to cut a smaller version of curry. We cut it like this, and there we have cut like this, and we are our paramide cut of carrot. Let's cut the machidon or small dice cut. It is 3 times smaller than large dice. Let us have the rectangular carrot, then cut into half. Then cut it smaller. Cut into smaller. Then we have small dice or machidon. Next up is the rondel or the round cut. It is cutting your cylindrical vegetable crosswise. This is rondel. Next is brunoise. For this cut, we will use our onion here. Peel the onion, but be reminded that we should not cut the rooted part of us to be able to easily cut the onion. Let us set aside and half part of the next cut. Then we cut it like this and like this. Cut this and then cut it like this. And we have the brunoise cut. For the pine brunoise, same process or procedure, but we have to cut it more thinly. Cut it more thinly. Smaller cut for pine size of onion. This is the smaller cut for pine size of onion. Same process or procedure, but we have to cut it more thinly. smaller cut for pine size of onion. Like this, like this. And we have it. The pine brunoise. We have it, we have it. The pine brunoise. And now I will be using the garlic. Let us press it and peel off the skin. And then chop it as fine as you can. Chop this fine as you can. And we have it. The minced cut. For our chiffonade, I will be using the leaves. Place your leaves like this. Then roll it and cut it as fine as you can. Cut it as fine as you can. And this is the chiffonade. 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 And for chive cut, it has this as you can. Cut this. Cut it as this. Cut it as thin as you can. For our chives, cut it as thin as you can. And we have it. We have it.